This intro.
We're out here today, about to start shelling corn again because it rained. How much did it rain?
Enough.
Too much.
No, it rained half an inch.
It rained too much. Start cutting beans, and we got about 180 acres of beans left, so it's not looking good there, but it'll go. It'll go. Yep, we're good.
Just takes a little bit of patience. All we need is a little bit of sunshine, some wind, and those beans will dry out, which it looks like that's what we're going to get next week. Still gonna be chilly, but as long as we can get some sunshine and wind, we ought to be good. But we're waiting on D to show up. We're out here in the field. We shelled some corn here and then got switched back to beans, and now it's raining. We're switching back, obviously, but I can hear D coming, so hopefully we can get something done today. Well, there we go. We're getting ready to see if it's gonna go today. I think the stalks look like they're pretty dry. The ground, as you can see by the tires and the water dripping off of Dad's tires, the ground is pretty wet, but this time of year it doesn't get a whole lot better, so might as well get in here and do it while it's sunny. Get to run the auger cart much. Actually, I don't even think I've ran the auger cart in 2 years because I'm always busy driving a semi, but I have to say it's a pretty nice change of pace from having to haul balls to the elevator and haul balls back. A little bit more relaxing. Well, good news. I think we're actually going to be able to go today. And really, once we get into this corn that's still standing that we haven't shelled yet, it's really not that wet compared to the rest of the field. So, looks like we're going to get a little bit done today. Little grumble moment. The tarp wouldn't unroll whenever I got to the elevator, and I got out and looking at it. Well, it rolled like 6 inches, so I had to close it, which is a process in itself. But I got to looking. I've got them zip tied up now, but the power wires just came out of the plug. Plug's in here somewhere. I kind of threw it when I got in here because I was a little upset. There it is. But so at least it should be, keyword should be, a pretty easy fix. So I'll see what I can do. Well, as you can see, we got her fixed. It only took about 15 minutes. Could have been a lot worse, but got back to the field. I'm gonna give Ross the GoPro and see what we can get do. English, please. See what else we can get done today. Probably only gonna get one more load hauled in because elevator's closing, but just the way she goes. So here we go. Well, that's not supposed to be like that. The grain elevator this year has a whole new crew. You gotta give them credit. They're working. But they're some of the laziest people I've ever seen. I've never had this happen. They didn't close the gate all the way. Oh well, not the end of the world. We'll just get it shoveled up. But you open and shut a gate 300 times a day, you ought to be able to do it right.
Well guys, this is just a little update here. We've been scrambling. Brock had issues with the tarp on the semi, so we went back to the shop and helped him fix that real quick. And I've had to run into town earlier. It's just been a crappy day altogether, really. But we're gaining a little bit, so